Hello student, once again welcome to Anu's classes. How was your EVS exam? Most probably it is good. So today in my this video I am going to discuss some important questions for zoology section of your upcoming biology exam. Botany important question I have already uploaded. Now you go for the zoology questions. So this is a zoology question. In zoology question for first question you will got either 1 mark question or fill in the blanks. So first come for this question may come as 1 mark question or fill in the blanks, because in zoology paper you will definitely get first questions of 1 mark question. So this I am giving you some important 1 mark question. So water vascular system is a distinctive feature of which phylum? Answer is Cynoderms. Then next one is answer is Proteus. Third, for a third, death zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Means after fertilization, what happened? Answer is zygote. This is the link between the reptile and bird. It is Archaeopteryx. Nestle bodies are found in where? It is found in neurons. Actinoderms are thus symmetrical, bilateral symmetrical, radial symmetrical. Which type of symmetrical? So answer is radially symmetrical. Destruction of HB means hemoglobin is called what? Hemolysis. Next question. Why spleen is called the graveyard of RBC? So spleen called the graveyard of RBC because after the completion of the lifespan, RBC are destroyed in spleen where they are ingested by free macrophages. What is the full form of RBC? And write the function of RBC. Full form of RBC is red blood cell. The main functions of RBC are to define the body, to define sorry defend the body against the harmful infection, to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide, to clot the blood at the time of injury, to produce white blood cell. Write notes on neuron. So short notes may come on neuron. Single 1 mark question may also come neuron. So if 1 mark question, you first write the definition and then I am giving you the answer for 4 marks question. So whatever the question means, what is the marks, depending on that you decide which portion you have to write. So the nephron is the functional, sorry, the sorry, the nephron is the functional unit of kidney, and it is composed of a renal capsule and a renal tubules. Structure of the nephrons. Nephrons are basic filtral unit of kidney. This is the 1 mark question. Then each kidney possesses large number of nephrons, approximately 1 to 1.5 of million. The component of nephron are glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, and long renal tubules. And this is the structure. I am giving you the easiest structure. So this is the structure of nephron, and these are the functions of nephron. Here I am giving you 5 functions. If possible, write 5. Otherwise, you can write 4 also. What is digestion? Write briefly the process of digestion. So what is digestion? Digestion is the process breakdown of complex food item into simpler form from them to be absorbed by the body is known as digestion. So this is the definition. Then these are the steps, means how digestion takes place in human body. I'm giving you the answers in point to it so that you can easily remember. What is the actin and myosin? Difference may also come or definition may also come. Actin is a protein that produces the thin contractile filament within the muscle cell. In contrast, myosin is the protein that produces the dense contractile filament within the muscle cell. What is nucleic acid? How many types of nucleic acid are there? Nucleic acid are large biomolecules. They play essential role in all the cells and virus, and there are mainly 2 types, DNA and RNA. So DNA, RNA you get in differentiation also. What are the different component of blood? The component of blood are erythrocyte means RBC, leukocyte means WBC, and thrombocytes means platelets. And these are the explanation of them, means how many erythrocytes are present, how many leukocytes are present, and what is the function of RBC. These are. What is bile? Write the constitution of human bile. Bile is a fluid that is made and released by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile helps with digestion. It breaks down the fat into fatty acid, which can be taken into the body by the digestive tract. Bile contains mostly cholesterol. The bile is composed of 95% of water, which has dissolved solid constituents such as bile salt, bilirubin, fats, such as cholesterol, fatty acid, lecithin, inorganic salt, vitamins, and environmental toxins. Write the 4 characteristics of arthropods. So here I am giving you 7 characteristics. So try to remember. So if 3 marks question come, you write all the characteristic, but if 2 marks come, then you decide, and if mention 4 is, then the write only 4. So here is the answer. What is the excretion? What are the main excretory product? So excretion is the physiological process of elimination of metabolic waste from the body, and it is the main excretory products. Difference between the following, some differentiation you will get. I am giving you some important which are repeatedly come. So first differentiation is blood and lymph. So this is the differentiation for blood and lymph. Coenzyme and cofactor. So this is the differentiation of coenzyme and cofactor. Here I am giving 9 points, but you just in exam you remember 3 4, it will be sufficient. Breathing and respiration. This is the breathing and respiration. Then voluntary muscle and involuntary muscle. These are the difference of voluntary muscle and involuntary muscle. Mitosis and meiosis cell division. So these are the difference of mitosis and meiosis. So if from mitosis and meiosis, you get lots of question. Sometimes question, ma'am, the right difference between mitosis and meiosis. Then you have to write just like that, as I am giving you as a whole difference. Sometimes question come. Suppose write the difference of the metaphase of mitosis and metaphase of meiosis. Sometimes come write the difference between prophase of mitosis and prophase of meiosis. So depending upon the question, you have to write the answer. But difference of mitosis and meiosis is very important. Then bone and cartilage, exocrine gland and endocrine gland. So these are some important questions which have the possibilities to come in your coming biology exam. So all the best student for your biology exam, and after your exam is finished, I am going to upload the class 12's your biology chapter serially one by one with notes. So till then, goodbye and all the best for your coming exam.